Hello, my name is Kate Atherley and I'm a knitter, a knitwear designer, an author and a teacher. And this spring I'm partnering with the Longmont Yarn Shop to bring you a series all about lace knitting. It's a 3-session series that we built especially for Longmont, especially for you. This class is aimed at lace knitting novices or those who have a little bit of experience but are looking to really build their skills and confidence. My goal is to explain all about lace, not just how to work it, but how it works. I'll explain everything about the yarn over, and the decreases that go with it. We'll talk about reading patterns and working from charts. I'll share some key stretchy bind-off methods and explain how the Shetland lace knitters avoided binding off entirely for an even better result. And I'll provide solutions and techniques for fixing and preventing mistakes, because after all, lace is about deliberate holes in your knitting as opposed to accidental ones. I'm also going to discuss a couple of adjacent but really crucial skills, which are blocking and weaving in ends and how they apply to lace fabrics, whether it's shawls or other types of projects like lace sweaters and garments. And as part of this class, I'm going to get you going on a lace shawl to build skills, so that you can practice, to build your confidence. We have a choice of 6 patterns and there's something for every skill level and for every taste level. This series is really all about building your skills, your experience, and also your confidence, so you'll be able to take on other kinds of lace projects. It's one of my favorite things to knit. It's incredibly engaging and it's just such beautiful work. And lace can be as intricate or as simple and elegant and geometric as you want it to be, and it can be as much of a challenge as you want it to be or not. It really offers a lifetime of knitting joy and challenges. I love lace for that. Anyway, we'll be meeting Friday afternoons, 4 to 6 p.m. Colorado time. And our first session is on March 24th. The second session is March 31st. And the last session is April 21st, so that you've got time to knit and practice. And in that last session, I'll be addressing questions and we'll talk about problem solving and that kind of thing. You'll have a really great overview of everything you need to know, and you will leave the class, most importantly, with a project well underway. So to learn more and to register, visit the Longmont Yarn Shop. You can call them or visit their website at longmontyarn.com. I hope to see you there. Thanks very much.